everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Morgan and today I'm going to walk you through the process of using the Kristen Ess Signature Hair Gloss. I got it in the color Bittersweet. That one is to neutralize dark brown hair. And I didn't do a good intro. I filmed a different intro before I did it, so this is the after, but now let's just kind of cut to, early this morning. And the whole premise of this gloss is it's like an in-shower toning gloss, so it's supposed to kind of color correct and also make your hair super shiny. And I've got processed hair. It's like from here down is dyed. The last time I dyed it, I tried to dye it like my natural color so I could discontinue with the dyeing of it. But my ends, I had balayage, like blondish hair in 2017, which was fun at the time, but just like not really me. So I went back to kind of darkness. At the ends always get so much lighter and warm toned than the roots. So I thought it was worth a shot. It's from Target. It was $14 plus tax. I have two main worries with this. And the first one is that it's going to be way too dark. I did get the one that said for dark brown hair, but the model on the front, like that seems like pretty true black hair to me. Like it's almost blue toned, which worries me, but that's okay. So it looks like an actual like hair dye kit. So there's Bittersweet gloss in the. Okay, so my game plan is put this on in the shower, get out, wash around my hairline and my face, get back in. Once I'm out of the shower and dry, I'll show you guys. Overall, the process was fairly simple. I was worried there wouldn't be enough product because I have a lot of hair, but I think, like knock on wood, that I did get everything everywhere. So I got my scalp really well, like in like probably like the next like 3 inches, and then I flipped my hair over. So like I was like staring at my belly, and the train's going by, so there's that. So I was staring at my belly, and then I went like just down the length of my hair. That way it didn't really touch my skin at all. But yeah, so that's what I did. Now I just need to let it sit. I'm gonna probably go the full 20 minutes because no guts, no glory. We'll see how it goes. I figured even if it turns out super duper black, it says it lasts for like 4 to 6 weeks. So I will report back once my hair is semi-dry. Okay, also quick note, I cleaned up most of it, all the stuff that was on there, but there was a lot of splatter. I need to clean that now. Clean your showers quick if you're using a dark color. Alright, so I just let my hair air dry. I didn't put any product in it, even though I usually do a detangler and like a hair oil. So I just kind of wanted to see like, naturally, I guess, the difference. And I definitely think it seems shinier than it normally would. And I didn't think it seemed that much like of a difference in color change until I took an after photo, and I'll put them right here. But yeah, so it's definitely a lot more cooled down. It rinsed out purple in the shower. Like a dark kind of brownish purple, but definitely purple. It didn't make like a mess in the shower except for what I showed you guys, and that wiped off really quickly. But I definitely noticed an increase in shine. The color change was subtle, like subtle enough that in the mirror I was like, okay, it's a little different maybe, but then you saw the before and after. It's pretty significant there. It went from more of a like a red based brown to a purple based brown. So that's what I wanted, so I'm happy with that. I'll probably end up buying it again after, I think it was like 4 to 6 weeks it said it would last, depending on how often I wash my hair. So yeah, I'll probably end up buying it again because, I don't know, I liked it and it's cheaper than going to get it dyed, and it kind of has the same effect that I want. I probably won't continue using that one once I cut off all of the hair that's been dyed in the past. I'll get the quartz one, which is just like the clear gloss if I ever feel like I need any more shine. All together positive experience. As I am editing this, I realized I didn't film a conclusion, so this will serve as my conclusion about a week later. The shine stayed still, the color looks great. I'm overall super happy. I think I wasn't as convinced the day I filmed, but now that I've seen it hold up against, shampooing several times since I filmed this, and just how nice it looks and easy it is to make it look nice and shiny after using this, I definitely recommend it to everyone. They have a whole range of colors, going from their clear quartz to ones that are for blondes and redheads, and I use the brunette one. And for each hair color, I think there are 2 versions. There's one to warm up your hair color and one to neutralize warmth. And like I mentioned earlier, I use Bittersweet, which neutralizes warmth, but there's also one that I could have done if I wanted a more warmer hue to my hair. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, but you should also check out Kristen Ess on Instagram. That's where my friend Desiree kind of directed me to when she told me about the gloss. She has like a chart on her Instagram on which gloss is right for you. She's got before and after pictures she shares on her stories, so that could answer some of your questions. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. All of my links are down below. It would mean the world to me if you subscribed or followed on Instagram, checked out my blog, any of the above. For now, give it a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and I will be back soon with another. Bye!